Hello and welcome. Thanks for checking this out. You are looking at the 5-day full workshop. We're going to be going over a lot of stuff. We're going to be doing breathing, meditation, a lot of energy work and energy development, energy sensing. We're going to be doing intuition practice. We're going to be going over all of the things that you are going to need in order to learn to see blindfolded. Now, this isn't going to happen overnight. Normally, this is, if you're super young, it can, might only take a couple weeks, but as we age, it does seem to take a lot longer. So with the proper dedication, this can be maybe a 6-month process to really kind of get really good where you're, maneuvering through obstacles and telling different colors and all this other different stuff. And retrieving object, seek and find. So this is for teenagers to adults. Younger children progress exponentially faster, and this will definitely help you if you do not have a partner, and I'm here to guide you and share as much information, and all the information that I have I want to pass down to you. The future is going to be crazy, and we've got to be the change we want to see, and I want to see some epic stuff, so let's get going. Thank you.